Firstly, open the Messenger app on your device. Once in the app, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. Tap the settings icon on the upper part of the screen. This will take you to the Messenger settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap on Account Settings. This will redirect you to another window. Tap the Personal Information. Options will show, and you'll tap Manage Account. Under the Legacy Contact, you'll see the Deactivate Messenger. Tap on Deactivate. You will be prompted to enter your password to confirm your identity. Enter your password and tap on Continue. A page will appear asking you to provide a reason for deactivating your account. You can select one of the options provided or write your own reason. Once you have provided a reason, tap on Deactivate. In the account deactivation, it will suggest to log out instead. It will also ask on how many days you want your account to be deactivated. To proceed on deactivating, tap Continue at the bottom of the page. You will be asked to confirm your decision to deactivate your account. If you're sure, tap on Deactivate My Account to proceed. Once you have deactivated your account, you will be logged out of the Messenger app, and your account will no longer be active. And that's it. Your Facebook Messenger account has been deactivated successfully.